Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we're going to learn the difference between so and so that. So let's get right to it. In this short video, I will teach you how to use so and so that so you can use it easily and fluently. So is a coordinating conjunction, which means it can join two independent clauses together. We use it to show cause and effect. In other words, a result. For example, I was very hungry, so I ate a sandwich. Or, my printer ran out of ink, so I had to buy some. So has the same meaning as therefore, but remember that therefore is not a conjunction. Moving on to so that. So that has a meaning similar to in order to or in order that. It describes the purpose of an action. And it begins a subordinate clause, or like a clause that is dependent on the main clause. For example, the teacher spoke slowly so that her students would understand the lesson. Here, her students understanding the lesson is the purpose or the aim of the action of the speaking slowly, not the result. So in the sentence, we don't know the result. We only know that she spoke slowly for the purpose of helping her students to understand. A few more examples are Olivia exercises so that she can lose weight. Her purpose for exercising is to lose weight. Or, we should recycle our Nespresso capsules so that our children can enjoy our planet in the future. Recycling is a purpose, not an effect, so our children can enjoy our planet in the future. Sometimes so that can be a little confusing. The that part on so that is optional. You can also say it either way. For example, Olivia exercises so that she can lose weight, which is the purpose. Or Olivia exercises so she can lose weight. It's also the purpose. The word that is optional, but it makes the sentence sound rhythmical. So here's a recap. To talk about purpose, we use so or so that. And to talk about the result or an effect, we use so. In other words, my friends, anytime you say so that, you can also shorten it to so. But you cannot use so that if you're talking about effect or result of an action. You can only use so. For example, the earbuds were cheap, so that I bought them. We are talking about the result, not purpose. That is not correct in English. So in English, we should say, the earbuds were cheap, so I bought them. Well, that's all I have in our lesson for today, and I hope that it made you easy to understand how to use so and so that in English. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it from you all, and I wish you all a really great day. Ciao, ciao, my friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.